had these 3 items ready to do for these past 6 years, and finally I've got a community that I can take with me to do some Habitat for Humanity, whitewater rafting, and ziplining at the drop of a hat.
So here we are on site at Habitat for Humanity, where the Live community donated all of the lumber to build sheds for the families that are part of this amazing organization.
You're not just building a shed today, you're helping change lives of families in Chaffee County, and we appreciate that.
I never thought this weekend I would actually be whitewater rafting and literally just get thrown around this raft with a bunch of my best friends was absolutely unforgettable.
I believe that shared experience really fosters community, connection, and relationship unlike anything else, and that's kind of what this is all about.